Take one banana, peel the skin, and cut it into cubes. Then, put them in a mixer jar, and blend them to a smooth paste. Now, take 1 teaspoon of banana paste, and 1 teaspoon of honey. Mix both the ingredients together. Apply this paste all over your face and neck, and let it sit for about 10 minutes. Then, wash off with water. Repeat this daily for best results. Your face will instantly feel smooth, look glowing, and fresh. This mask is a great natural moisturizer for your skin. You will instantly have soft and supple skin. The vitamin A present in bananas restores the lost moisture and repairs damaged, dull, and dry skin. They contain super wrinkle-fighting nutrients that helps fade age spots and prevent fine lines and wrinkles from forming. It gently nourish, exfoliate and protect mature skin, and keep the skin youthful. This mask is an excellent home remedy for treating acne, pimples and dark spots. You can reduce them, and even out general skin discolorations by applying this mask regularly. Honey used in this mask moisturizes the top layers of the skin. This extra moisture can help improve wrinkles. Honey's antioxidant properties help delay skin aging. Honey also makes the skin smooth and hydrated, reducing fine lines. Honey helps remove dirt from the skin, and it does it without stripping the natural oils. It also helps to lighten dark spots and blemishes. Use this mask regularly to keep your skin young and fresh. I hope you liked the video. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.